Hello everyone, welcome to another dynamic DIY video, and today for Tasty Find with
Tankmanjoe!
We are going to try strawberries and cream gelato from Trader Joe's.
We have vanilla bean, strawberry and strawberry with candied strawberry pieces. Candied strawberry pieces? Let me get some of those!
Alright.
Serving size is 2/3 of a cup. Calories, 220 per serving. 650 per container. As we do on the DIY Diva YouTube channel, we have the lid here. You know what we have to do, right? One shot. Oh! First try! This, instant! That's what I'm saying! Let's go! We see how the strawberry and cream looking Pokemon ball there.
He does look like a Pokemon
Yeah, it's right
ball.
there. I mean, Pikachu would even fall on this. It looks like ice cream.
I know it's looking like ice cream, but come on, man. Come on, man. Alright, here's a spoon for you.
Yes.
If you look, what I wanted him to show you is that you see with the vanilla, you see the little flecks, which is the vanilla bean. And then if you look in the strawberry, there's like this piece right here. You can actually see the candy pieces. So, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I don't know how they can mess up ice cream, so let's hope this is good.
I don't know why they're calling this candied strawberry pieces. It tastes like just straight strawberry, but anyway, I'm going to tell you about this. On a scale of 1 to 4, 1 meaning a hard pass, won't get this again. A 4 meaning pick it up if I see it again. I give this a definite 4. It is so good. It's sublime. The vanilla is, you know, when you talk about gelato, gelato has a certain taste profile where it's not really milky like a typical ice cream, and it's not icy like a sorbet or a sherbet or, you know, something like that. It has this nice middle of the ground smoothness. It tastes good. I like it. And the strawberry has a sharp, strong strawberry taste to it. So I would give it a 4. What do you say, Tank? You love opening things, don't you?
What the fortune cookie said, I'll tell you. A stranger's kindness will surprise and delight you. Well, Trader Joe, whoever you are, I don't know what you trade, but that gelato was awesome. I like the strawberry, add the candy strawberry pieces, it had the cream in there. It should have been a bit more vanilla tasting. It kind of didn't have much of a taste, but I'll give it a 3 out of 4.
That's interesting. Wow, that's good. You give it a 3?
I give it a 3.
Really? Not a 4?
Not a 4.
Why not a 4?
The cream should have more taste. The candy strawberry should have been more candied. What? You for subpar, you think I'll give it a 4? Nah. We have high standards on this channel.
We do have standards, but I think this was great, and I give it a 4. He gives it a 3. So I guess if Trader Joe's, the kindness of you, stranger, because we don't know who you are, Trader Joe, but we'll get this again. All right. So I hope you like this content. If you do, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and until next time.